and welcome to JJ's Food Review. So I am in Ellensburg, Washington today at Dairy Queen, and it's dark because it's nighttime. There's the sign for Dairy Queen. So yeah, they're just now closing. It's late at night. And I have a blizzard, and I'm just right across from a casino, which I don't plan to be doing any gambling tonight. Actually, not much of a gambling man. I only gamble in curly fries. I did lose a bet and had to pay up with curly fries once. So anyway, that's another nice story, and I digress. But here's this ultimate chocolate blizzard from Dairy Queen. It has brownies in it, which is really good. It's really chocolatey. It's like, what can you go beyond this in terms of chocolate? This is about as intense as it gets. And there's fudge in the middle. It's like, oh my goodness. So I don't know if you can see it, but out there is some windmills with red lights flashing, and it's kind of cool. Anyway, this is very good and very chocolatey. I think I'm going to have a chocolate buzz when this all is said and done. This is very tasty. The brownies are good. The ice cream is good. The fudge is good. And I'm going to give this an 8 out of 10. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And this is a special because I now have 100 subscribers plus. So please keep them coming. Everybody who watches this, please subscribe. Give me a like and a comment if you can. And this channel has been gone a lot further than I ever expected. So thank you to all my viewers who made it happen. So anyway, it's getting cold and it's getting windy out here. So I'm going to go back in the car. Thanks guys. Take care. Thanks guys and gals.